Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see multiplying by 9. When you learn the 9 times table, you are learning only one new multiplication fact. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. 81. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Group of 9 each is 81. 81. 9 ones are 9. 2 nines are 18. 3 nines are 27. 4 nines are 36. 5 nines are 45. 6 nines are 54. 7 nines are 63. 8 nines are 72. 9 nines are 81. 10 nines are 90. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. Look for the pattern and fill in the blanks. I have to see the pattern and we have to fill the blanks. 9. 9 2 nines are 18, 27, 36. So here first digit are increasing and second is reversing. 9, 8, 7, 6. Here 1, 2, 3. Next is 4. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 5 nines are 45. Next 5 and next here 4. 6 nines are 54. Next is 5, 6. Here 3. 7 nines are 63. Here next is 5 and here next is 2. Oh sorry, 7. This is not 5. 6 after 6, 7. 72. Next after 7, 8. 2, 1. 81. Next after 9, 0. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Okay. And here 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Understood? Next we will see the exercise 4C. Two. Which two numbers have a product of 72 and a difference of 1? 72 product and 8 and 9. So 8 nines are 72. So product of 72, and when you difference or when you subtract this minus, if we did a minus 9 minus 8, 1. Okay. Next, which two numbers have a sum of 18 and a product of 81? 9 and 9. Two numbers. 9 nines are 81. Product is 1. If we add sum, means we have to add 9 plus 9, 18. Understood? Next comes to multiply. 9 6 are 54. 5. 9 4s are 36. 41. 9 2s are 18. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 1, 82. 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 8, 89. Solve answer in the form of a sentence. We have to do it in a sentence. One box of tennis balls have 15 balls. How many tennis balls are there in 9 such boxes? So 9. I have to do 15 into 9. 130, 135 balls. Okay. There are 9 pen drives in a box. How many pen drives are there in 28 such boxes? 28 into 9. 252. Understood? 4D. Exercise 4D. So this is also we have to do multiplying. So I will do 1 and rest you have to do. Okay? Multiply without regrouping. 221 into 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. 884. In the B, C, D, we have to do. Okay. Next, second, multiply, regroup once. 205 into 3. 5 threes are 15. Here 1, 6, 615. 300, but 1 we have to keep it here. Okay. Next, third, multiply, regroup twice. 135 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 3s are 18. 19, 20, 21. 6 ones are 6, 7, 8. 8, 10. 810. Next, 4. Multiply, regroup as required. You will get a 4-digit product. Okay. 723 into 3. 9, 6, 2169. Understood? And fifth, mixed practice. 283 849. Remaining you have to do as a homework. Okay? Okay. For this, we finished our 4D lesson. Tomorrow we will see 4F. Okay? Thank you. Oh, sorry. 4D, 4E. Tomorrow we will see 4E exercise. Okay? Thank you.